shit. Here we go again.
Hi there, I'm Tali. Okay, so long story short, me and PB go way back. We had a tough relationship, but all tears shed and hard feelings were actually never lost, so here I am, spitting it from the jar. But anyways, I almost forgot the most important ingredient. Diabetes. Sheesh, what if I forgot that? It has the grams.
2,000 years later, 6.5 hours later, a few inches later, day 2, day 3, day 4, a few moments later.
No, Tali. Well, I have a story for you. So, you drop some sugar on the floor, CBA to clean it up, but then your dumbass decides to step in it. Then you can't get it off your feet. Then, when you finally finish scraping it off your feet with your own feet, you go ahead and dip your foot back into the same area of sugar. Realize it's not worth the effort and finally clean it up.
Bruh.
Can someone tell me why someone was like, okay, we're gonna make this look all cute, old-fashioned, vanilla, like vintage, okay, like vintage baking style, and then it just looks like this, and and you pour it, and it just goes. Can someone please explain? Anyway, what's next?
Stop it. Get some help.
Anybody else find mixing really satisfying? However, in the moment, you are literally dying inside. That's all I can say about that. Okay, yeah. No.
Swiss meringue buttercream. I'm pretty sure I'm professional at this, so watch and learn, people. The sugar. That's a cake!
Hello there.
I give you.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Sick. Hello. We got the goods. I made some. Got a bit of this. A typical Bob Ross moment is the inserting clip.
I've already put the magic white on the canvas.
Oh, think.
You see, here's a tea. Yeah, that's the problem. There was no tea. My mouth was dry as heck and I was feeling parched as a gazelle being hunted from a lion. But that's hardly the point. As a mid-teen, I suffer extreme laziness, so I obviously go for the next best thing, the spatula. No comment. All I can say is that I'm glad my family won't see this video.
how hard is that medium to work with?
It's awful.
It is not awful. Oh my god, that's so cool.